Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following financial math question combining your simple interest and compound interest. We have 90,000 rands is invested at 10% per annum, simple interest for 4 years. Thereafter, the total amount is reinvested in a different financial institution at 12% per annum, compound interest for 3 more years. What is the future value of the investment at the end of the 7-year period? Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Let's start with the first part of the question that says 90,000 is invested at 10% per annum simple interest for 4 years. So I start with my P, that's my principal amount, 90,000. Then we have the interest is at the rate of 10% per annum, and then the duration N equals 4 years. I'm using the formula. Your accumulated amount after the 4 years for simple interest will be your principal times 1 plus your interest times the number of years. So therefore, your accumulated amount A equals 90,000 in bracket 1 plus, then the interest is 10%, which is 10 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.10. So therefore, I have plus 0.10 times the number of years, 4. So therefore, your accumulated amount after 4 years will be 90,000 times, I have 1 plus 0.10 times 4, that's 1.4, and that is equal to, in rands, 126,000 rands. So the next statement here says that thereafter, the total amount is reinvested in a different financial institution at 12% per annum compound interest for 3 more years. What is the future value of the investment at the end of the 7-year period? So what we've calculated so far is the first 4 years as shown. So the new calculation will be the next 3 years to make it a 7-year period. And that means my new principal P is not 90,000 anymore, but the new principal will be in rands 126,000 rands. So the number of years now is 3 years. The interest I equals, we have that as 12% per annum, and that is equal to 12 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.12. So we'll be using the formula. A, the accumulated amount after the next 3 years will be P, that's the principal, times 1 plus the interest to the power of the number of years. So for the next 3 years, we have our accumulated amount equals the principal, 126,000, times 1 plus the interest, 0.12 to the power of 3. Therefore, my A will be equal to, in rands, 177,020, comma, and then the cents, 93 cents. So this covers the next 3 years, and the total 3 plus 4 is 7 years. So therefore, in summary, the amount over the 7-year period, moving from your simple interest to compound interest, will be 177,020 rands 93 cents. Thanks for watching. Bye.